We got a light on! Dude, that's crazy! We got live wires right here. It's really probably not safe. I probably shouldn't do that. It's powering all my outlets. Bada bing. Bada boom. Bada ba.
This is my operating table science light.
Guys, the freaking lighting in here now is freaking legit. Like, seriously, the place has been upgraded. Oh, it's so freaking cool. I can print The wire of death is gone. We have new lighting.
Barrett, the amount of upgrades are unreal.
So basically, I'm back after my long video hiatus because we have some progress here in the garage. Got the little loft up. I'm just making this video to be a short little update of my expansion to the realm because it's pretty freaking sweet, and fill y'all in with what the plans are for now. Because
Now that we got some frickin' light in this place, I can work on this damn thing and it doesn't have to sit here any frickin' more.
so that's basically the plan there. Anyhow, so I got these little pocket lights up there. That's gonna get fleshed out, wrapped around that little bit of framing with 1x12s like I have above there. We're gonna put some 1x12s over around that loft thingy, more 1x12s there. I gotta finish painting up there. Then we still got this wire of death, and that wire of death. But for the most part, we're wrapping up mostly ish in here. So I don't know how much of this was done in the last video, but I'm assuming most of it was not. So this is just to fill y'all in where we stand and what's gonna happen next, because I got parts for this thing. So we're gonna be working on that. We're gonna have some more content coming, and I guess I'll see y'all on the next one. Ooh, he has been chosen.
I have been chosen. Farewell, my friends. I go on to a better place.